God. Yo, that smoke, elite, gang. Look at the lineup, though. Look at the lineup. This shit about to look different later. Bro got that sneezer, chat. Stop playing with him. You heard his front mount? I gotta hear that shit when you're driving, bro.
The front mount?
Yeah. I ain't seen this jar in a minute. Why it look different, bro?
It look better?
Kinda. Bro, that shit look clean without that Bimmer shit, boy. He about to slide. Yeah. We about to go on a cruise right now, chat. And I got my bro sliding with me, nigga. Stop playing. I got my older brother, Damari, sliding with me, chat. This is probably his first time coming on a cruise with me.
Put on a downpipe on the 5 series, huh?
Yeah?
You put on a downpipe on the 5 series, huh?
Yeah. That shit that pop your fuck.
Motherfucker loose. That motherfucker loose. Motherfucker loose. Fuck. Yo, what? That shit sound like a spit shit, dog.
Christy ada buat eso. That shit sound like a watch out, man. Start this shit, man. Start this shit. Watch that cyber truck there.
That piece of shit, bro.
That cyber truck, boy. That shit ain't got no soul, boy. Buckler. Fast, you know? Shit that pop your fuck. Your intake by bridge. Buckler.
Buckler, wherever I was.
Yo!
Bro, why that sounds like it's a bumbo class? Yo!
Bumbo. And shit's flutter your fuck.
Yo, that shit sounds so, bro.
That boy need one of them things, chat. Bro, that shit sound way different from my shit. Yeah. It sound way different from my shit. Hold on, Doc. I'ma tell you rev my shit. Hold up. Doc, rev my shit for me, bro. My guy.
You guys are so
Lucky. Lucky out, man. Lucky out. Lucky out. What's good, bro? Yo, you can't tell me your shit don't sound different from mine.
Yeah, dude. It sound way different. One more time, bro.
Hit the anti-lag, hit the anti-lag. Hit the anti-lag. Yo, let me hear that shit. Let me hear that.
Bro, what?
Doc, low it, low it.
That is like,
Me not have anti-lag, bro. Me not have anti-lag, dog. Low it, man.
what I be a shot with the sweet daddy, bro?
No, get it. Me can put it out with this. No, it good, bro. Bomb. We got a Bimmer world out here, chat. Oh my God. He gotta get with the program, nigga. He playing. Or just a front mount. It don't even matter which one. That bitch sound nice, gang.
That jaw sounds crazy.
That shit sound crazier than my shit. So what you finna change out in here right now?
Right now,
Haha. Niggas got mad whips outside right now, chat. Mad whips. Don't rev it too hard. Christian gonna come out here, bro. That boy on BT, chat. We got my shit right here. We got the beams out today, chat. We got GTI right here. Sitting nice. That's how I need my back fitment, bro. That shit tough. That shit tough. There's another one pulling up, chat. Damn. That shit clean. Sheesh.
That shit feels just like fucking 2020.
I need to hop back on that shit. I updated my shit, so if y'all ready, bro.
Fucking suck. He do too.
He said I suck.
And that nigga.
Yo, he's ass. He don't even play the game. Yo, he don't even play the game.
Nah, this nigga Jordan had like 20 kills that one day we got on that joint.
This nigga don't even know, bro.
This nigga could be to get a game at this point. I have one. The motherfucker don't ever play it.
Yo,
Where you always fucking home?
he always posting food at the crib watching movies, nigga. Get on the game.
Nigga by yourself.
Yo.
Y'all sliding back after?
Yeah, I probably slide back, bro. I gotta get them sparks, bro. I gotta get them sparks and that oil. Yo. You know, nigga. Oh, you sliding too? Fort Pambria. Benny boys. After this, we about to go to the crib. You feel what I'm saying? Hopefully, y'all boys enjoy the vlog. I know I haven't been talking a lot, but I know y'all been hearing the car and shit, man. Feel me? But if y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Oh boy, yo.
Everybody does dump to do.
Siya, go back around saying that. Back, you know back yourself, bro. So that busted there? Fucking window, I nine, you fuck dog.